Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera from Madam. Today, I and my team will talk about the project for the mechanical engineering, mechanical engineering. And the problem we choose is problem 3, electricity usage in the hostel. Okay, this is our team and our brainstorm idea in the Canva. As you can see, I'm Najmi as the research. So the brainstorm, we do the split idea, and in the end, we got the electricity usage in the hostel as our project. Main project. Okay, this is our Ishikawa diagram, and for the first, we choose the main problem, mankind, and for the sub is human behavior, not not take seriously, and do not care about the energy waste. For the next, utility, using too much at the same time, charger left plugged in, and light left on in rooms. And next, quality, cheap installation plug, low quality light bulb, and use main device at the same time. And the last but not least, awareness, like awareness, no energy saving policy in the hostel, no energy audit conduct. So as you can see in the Ishikawa diagram, we have the collect Google form by this Ishikawa diagram. And for the main energy waste and high electricity cost, we find out by the by this.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fikri Aiman. So, I will present about objective and limitation. So, our objective is identify cause of electricity waste using Ishikawa diagrams in human, machine, methods, or material. And we analyze students' habits that forget to switch off lights, fans, or charger phone or laptop. So, we evaluate safety of using multiple plug extension and we check awareness of energy efficient appliance in star 1 to 5 star rating and assess effectiveness of hostel energy saving policies and audits. So we propose green solution IoT system or smart plugs. So the study is we limit to TVET Marakuantan students only. So the findings cannot be generalized to other institutions. The data was collected using Google Form, which relies on student self-reports responses and may not fully reflect actual electricity usage due to possible bias or inaccuracy. So the survey title is Electricity Usage in Hostels. We collect response from exactly 13 hostel students of TVET Marakuantan through online questionnaire. The data were analyzed using Microsoft Excel to calculate the mean, median, and sample standard deviation for each item. The Likert scale used was as follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That very rare, neutral, often, or very often.
I can explain about the analysis result where grouping into four main character derives from the Ishikawa diagram, cause and effect. Maintain hostel resident you especially habit regarding electric and electronic uses. Electronic quality, the quality of the electronics owner or asked by the hostel resident according to the star grading system by Suruhajaya Tenaga ST. Utilization to observe how well the hostel resident utilizes electronics regarding safety and energy conservation. Awareness to Gorgon, the general awareness among the resident
regarding the effort and campaign toward achieve the greener solution for energy conservation. This one the graph woman factor attitude and habit. The first like Swiss, fan Swiss, and phone charger Swiss, and laptop charger Swiss. The beat to the response this fan Swiss and phone charger Swiss. The statement I often forget to off the light switch. The mean, median, and standard dividend. Mean 2.43, median 2, and this standard dividend 1.10. Because interpretation student rarely forget to turn off the light switch. The fan switch, the mean 2.7 and median 2 and standard dividend 1.13. Student rarely forget to turn off the light switch. I often forget to turn off the phone charger and laptop charger. The mean 2.33 the phone charger and the mean 2.43 the laptop charger. Median for 2 and standard dividend 1.01 and laptop charger this 0.96 because the student playing the laptop and phone with the charger to the easily the assignment and better like easy to the report assignment and to let and Wi-Fi internet.
So I have a one or two star electronic device by the Energy Commission that our question. So the responses is neutral. And for the three star, the result is neutral too. And the for four star electronic device, it is often. And five star, it is rare in our hostel. So next, for the statement, I have one or two star electronic device. The median is 3, the mean is 2.76, and the standard deviation is 1.15. So for the 3 star, the mean is 3.56, the median is 3, and the standard deviation is 0.96. For the 4 star, 3.4, for the means, the median is 4, and the standard deviation is 1.14. For the 5 star, the device electronic is the mean is 2.56, the median is 2, and standard deviation is 1.2. So we know from this statement, the four-star electronic is more using in our hostel.
Okay, now I will continue about the next question. So the first one, the question asks about the I use multiple electronic device that use plug simultaneously. So as you can see, the number four have the highest. And for the next question is I leave electronic device plug in such as a chargers and the cookers. So we can see as the number four again. And for the next, I left the room light on. Okay, now we can see the student of TVET Mara content choosing the number three, or we can see it or as the neutral. And for the last question, I left the room fan on. As the same answer as before, the answer is the number three, or we can call it the nature. Next, for the statement, we can see I use multiple icon device that use the plug simultaneous. The mid is a 3, median 345, and standard device 1.21. The interpretation student often do this. For question 2, the mean 3.13, median 4, standard deviation 1.31. And the interpretation student often does this. For the next statement, or the question 3, The mean 3.03, median 3, and the standard deviation is 1.02. Students sometimes does this. And for the last one, I left the room fan on 2.97, median 3, and the standard deviation 1.05. Students sometimes does this. That's all.
Okay, for section D, the awareness of electricity in the hostel. Okay, question one, I forgot about the importance of saving electricity. We got majority agree with 18 respondents. Question two, is the electricity saving policy implemented in the dormitory? So mostly rarely agree because maybe that's true. And question three, has an audit regarding electricity usage in the dormitory been carried out? So most of the residents say is occur very rare. So maybe it's true too. And question four, will you be more aware of saving electricity from now on? So mostly say as you see in the report, they do not agree because maybe they are aware about their lack of awareness. Okay, as you can see, the first statement we got a mean 3.13, median 4, and standard deviation 1.45. Okay, I want to remark that standard deviation means how good the data is. So we got below 2, so this means our data is reliable. So how I interpret the first question, most of them agree, as you can see here. So the next question, we are start to look, people become towards more rarely the things that in the segments are rarely occurring, or as the final question, they do not agree. As you can see, the mean is 2.9, median 2, and the interpretation rarely agree. As question 3, audit regarding electricity being carried out. The mean said 2.43, median said 2. So yeah, it's they rarely agree, which means it's rarely happen. And will you be more aware of saving electricity from now on? Still, most of them rarely agree because that's what they believe. And so, as for the overall mean for each category, you can see mankind with 2.48. So I interpret this as most students unfortunately frequently forgot to turn off the appliances. As for electronic quality by Suruhanjaya Tenaga, we got 3.08, which means everyone has experienced different quality grades of electronic appliances. For the next, electricity utilization 3.03, half of the students use electrical appliances irresponsibly. So, like my friend said before, uh, many use of extension, multiply, so not responsible lah. And finally, energy conservation awareness. Like we discussed before, um, not all resident has an excellent view regarding energy conservation. Just look at the overall mean. It's below average. So how do we solve this? So after a bit of discussion, we come up with three new way of green solution. First, we should install a smart power strips in our dormitory. How this thing works is when you charge something, for example, your laptop, when it's full, it will electric will automatically cut off by using an app. So it's very reliable and controllable and smart. Next, we should install IoT energy monitoring dashboard in each floor of hostels to monitor how much electricity has been used. This can build a culture that more that running towards energy conservation, which means which floor has the highest or lowest will determine how good the floor is. Yes. Finally, we have automated lighting and fan sensors. So which means it will only turn on when you go inside, and when you left the room, it will turn off. We also already have this at our hostel, at the surau, in the toilet. So yeah, it's a real proof. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.